Hi everyone, and welcome to another Vibe 4-wheel drive adventure. I'm heading to the Victoria Plains area today to go and do some meteor shower hunting. The Geminids are supposed to be peaking tonight, and I thought I'd head out that way to try and capture them. I've got the coffee and I've got my, I think it's called a Banafee eclair that I've picked up at the Bindoon Bakehouse, which is an obligatory stop if you're heading north on the Great Northern Highway from Perth to Geraldton or Meekatharra, or even just where I'm going. So I'm going to enjoy my coffee and my cake, and I'll see you when I get to wherever I'm going. I've made it to Yerracoin. It's about 31 degrees at the moment, and I've just paid at the Yerracoin Traders behind me to stay overnight. It's $25, includes power. They have a shower and toilet facilities as well. It's where the tennis club is, not far away from here. So I'm going to go and park down on the oval and find myself a spot where I'll be able to see the sky tonight, to be able to hopefully get some good time lapse and photos. There's a shower and toilet facility here. Ladies is on this side, gentlemen is on the other side. They have a toilet down the end here. Nice clean facility. Very, very dry out here. Don't think they're yeah, so there's a shower and toilet here as well, which is great because it's also a disabled friendly one, which is really good. Might be able to see a couple of power poles there, so you can park up and use those if you want. On the other side here, it's got the little playground and the tennis courts, which are quite well maintained, and they've got the club room there as well. So it was quite pleasant this afternoon. Let's hope I can get somewhere to be able to get some nice shots tonight. All good. Set up the jet boil Just very simple dinner tonight. Just got some, what's it, wild mushroom and lamb risotto from the outdoor gourmet company. Thankfully the flies haven't been too bad. There's a few, but not very many at the moment, so it's better than what I expected anyway. So I've got that all set up, which I'll put out on my little stool out there. I've set up my light for tonight, just when I need, just for the campsite. And I'm going to set myself up somewhere out here so I can not be in the way of the trees and look out to see the geminids. I'm hoping I'll get a good view tonight. I think I will. They were talking about some cloud later on, but I don't think it'll come in until much later, like 3 or 4 tomorrow morning. Best time is supposed to be around 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Western Standard Time here in Australia for the geminids. It's supposed to give me the most meteors per hour. I must be hungry. I can't think at the moment. But it's a nice little setup. Sun's going down, and as you can see, I'm the only one out here. Great little spot. Very, very dry, of course, at the moment. But for a little morning tea stop or a overnighter, it's a great little spot. Not sort of on the road to anywhere really, but that's what makes it so nice. And we've got looks like one of our younger magpies having a little feed here on the grass. Yeah, I didn't want to get too close. But yeah, I've had a glass come out, and the looks like a rosella or something. I don't think it was a 28. It didn't look like a 28. Didn't have the ring around the neck, so I think it might have been some kind of a rosella parrot. But yeah, lovely. Perfect afternoon. Wild mushroom and lamb risotto. An authentic Italian style risotto with lamb, mushrooms, onion and green pepper in a mushroom sauce. Add a sprinkle of parmesan cheese to taste. I'm supposed to serve 2. If I can't eat it all, I'll just cover it back up again, because I'm not going to make a bowl out of it. So that's the cheese. Looks like real parmesan. That'll be interesting. I'm going to cut that, no doubt. And that's what it looks like at the moment. Well, we'll see what it's like once I've put a couple of cups of hot water in there and leave it for 10 minutes. Now, I love my jet boil, but the one thing that I find is really annoying, and it seems to be a common thing with the jet boils, is that after 1 to 3 times use, the flint doesn't work anymore to be able to start it up, which is really annoying. But I've always got matches with me, so at least I can get it to work. But you think for the amount of money you pay, that they'd get the flint right on them. Other than that, it's absolutely fantastic for boiling up water, for making dinner, and it's so convenient and easy. Oh, let's see if this time I can get the amount of water right. If you've watched our Sandy Cape trip, I had one of these kind of meals then, and I put a little bit too much water in for that one. So I'll give this a stir and then put it away. Of course, I haven't got my supervisor to make sure I've done this properly, but I'm sure she's watching from above and going, Auntie Mara, you still can't do it without me. Okay, so I've mixed the parmesan in, and let's give this a go. See what it tastes like. Don't know if you can see me properly or not with this head torch, or this power cap as it's called, on, but that's what it looks like. Let's see. Not bad. At least has some semblance to risotto. And taste the onion. I haven't had a bit of lamb yet. Oh, there's a bit. All right, so let's try a bit of lamb. Tastes like lamb. So that's at least good. Yeah, it does okay for a pre-prepared meal. At least feed me for tonight. I've got the awning open but not set up, and I've just got one of the strip lights running through there for tonight. So trying to make the camp as easy as possible, because I've got to get out of here early in the morning and head back to Perth, as I've got a cricket match I've got to go to. Good morning everyone, and what an amazing night I had last night watching those meteors. Wow, it was really good. As you can see, the sun is just coming up behind me. I've got to pack up and head off back into the city. I've got stuff to do today, but it certainly was worth coming out here and sitting out and watching those amazing light shows. I hope I did capture something on the footage that I'd taken, so we'll see. This was a little bit of a different adventure, but it's all fun. I love being out in night skies. Even if I can't have a campfire, watching a meteor shower is, well, almost as good. Anyway, if you liked the video, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see what other videos there are or when a new one comes up. And I'll see you next time. So thanks for watching.